So, let's now consider some strategies and tips likely to help with the first part of the listening test. You may remember that this first part consists of 30 items, each one based on a set of 3 visuals. So, predicting the content of the conversation to follow by carefully looking at the visuals provided is a most useful strategy. By predicting what you're about to hear, you reactivate your background knowledge, you suddenly remember a few key words you expect to hear, you feel more prepared for what you're going to hear, you feel you're on the right track, you feel more confident, etc. And all this usually helps you to more easily find the correct answer when the time comes. Try to also predict the words, the actual words you're about to hear. For example, look at the visuals on this slide. What words do you expect to hear? Probably hair, dark, long, short, glasses, etc. Yes, by predicting the kind of language you're about to hear, you are once more better prepared, feel once more confident, etc. Something that can only prove beneficial. Another clever move might be to spot the similarities and differences between the visuals of each set. For instance, in the example on this slide, how similar or how different are the 2 visuals? The visual on the left shows a girl wearing long hair, while the visual on the right shows a girl, probably the same girl, wearing short hair but also wearing glasses. So, the recording might be about the same person, changes she has made to her own appearance, etc. So, these pieces of information might help with finding the correct answer. One more useful strategy? Well, don't rely only on key words. What I mean is, listen to the whole conversation before you decide on the right answer. Referring to a particular example, to the girl on this slide that needs to be picked up from a station, the listener will hear key words like tall, dark hair, glasses, and might conclude that the correct answer is the visual in the middle. However, just before the end of the recording, the listener will hear that the girl to be picked up from the station has got hair cut really short, so watch out for such questions. A last strategy that might prove useful for part 1? Well, focus on the question at the end of each conversation which is not printed and does not appear under the set of visuals. Unless you clearly hear the question, you will not be able to answer the question asked.